Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So we're in a different setup right now, but guys, I have the worst cramps right now. I mean, like literally it's the worst cramps. Our weather is about to get really nasty here and I just feel like doing something different, sitting in a different environment. So I'm on my porch and it's about to rain really nasty outside. I usually like on weather like this, I like to sit back and relax and read. So even though I am not feeling the best right now with how bad my cramps are, I'm still here for you guys. So in today's video, guys, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And this is probably the last one I'm going to get, like, paid for. So if you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep watching. So if it does get like loud and stuff like that, I do apologize, but I just kind of wanted you guys to see like Florida weather. So anyway, this is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and you guys know that I'm on the PR list. I've been on the PR list now for over a year, and I'm very grateful to be on the list, but let's be honest here, the bags have not been that great. Like, they really have not been that great. I have not been that impressed with them, and I'm just kind of over it. And the only reason why I've kept my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is because I want to still get Ipsy X. And you guys let me know that, oh, it's picking up. You guys let me know that with Ipsy, I could just do the Ipsy Glam Bag for $13 and still get the Ipsy X. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So this is my very last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, minus what I get in my PR. So this actually does retail for almost $30 a month. It's like $27.99. You get 5 full-size items, 3 of which you get to customize yourself. And it's all from brands that I have never, ever heard of. So, let's dig in. My dogs are watching me. My upstairs neighbors are listening. Okay, so here is the bag. This is fun. This is like fun for me. Ooh, I hope it starts raining. Okay, so the very first thing that I see is I got the Saturday Skin. This is Rub A Dub Refined Peeling Gel. I actually received this in my PR box, and I talked about how I'm not the biggest fan of like peeling gels or like masks. So I'm gonna put this in a No Waste Wednesday as well. But here is this. I did not pick this out for myself. I only ever pick out makeup items. So this was like one of those ones that Ipsy picked out for us. Next, we got a Yensa. This is pumpkin turmeric. Turmeric. This is the 2-in-1 Radiant Policy Mash plus 8 Super Orange Essence. Again, I did not pick this out for myself. This must have been what Ipsy had gifted to us. Not gifted, but you know what I mean, like put in the box for us. They usually give us like different type of makeups to pick through or skincares, and I always pick makeup. But Ipsy's also been going towards skincare a lot lately, just like BoxyCharm has. So it's why I've been kind of turned off to it. This is so much fun, guys. All right, next we got a About Face. This is Light Lock Lip Gloss. So I obviously picked this out for myself. Let's take a look at it. They've stopped talking. They heard talking. And then they stopped. They're listening. Ooh, so this is how the gloss looks. This is actually a little pretty. This is like a bronze looking gloss. Love the outside packaging. Might be a little bit too deep for me, but I feel like you put this on top of like a beautiful brown lip. This would be like a nice golden bronze look to it. That's actually really nice. I hope you guys can hear me okay, by the way. All right, next we have an ABH. This is Brow Wiz. This is a skinny brow pencil. This is in the shade Taupe, and this is what I picked out for myself. I don't think I've ever tried ABH's brow products, which, fun fact, that's actually how they got started, was by their brow products. So I have to really give this a try, see if I like it. But I do know I picked this one out for myself. Nice. And then last but not least, we got a Lucky Chic. This is a liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Gold Mind. And this is how the product looks. Again, it's something that I picked out because I wasn't very sure what to get, because a lot of the options were skincare heavy this month. And I want to be able to pick out items that I knew I can give back to you guys, because at the end of the day, most of this stuff doesn't intrigue me too much. Like, I think the ABH does, and a little bit of the About Face, but the rest, it doesn't intrigue me. And it got really hard start to pick out items that I'm like, well, I don't really want any of these, but what can I get back to you guys instead? So that's what I've been doing the last couple months, is just trying to pick out items that I think you guys would appreciate and like, and definitely stay away from skincare. So that is what I got in my $25 bag, and y'all, it is so time to say goodbye. This is so not worth it anymore. It doesn't excite me. I don't get excited about it. I just, I like having it because it allows me to give back to you guys, which is what I really love doing. So you're probably going to find majority of these items in my No Waste Wednesday, which will be at the end of this month, last Wednesday of the month, and I'll do a big giveaway for you guys there. But it feels so good to say bye, Ipsy. Don't get me wrong, I'm still going to have my PR box, but I'm just going to be going down to just my Ipsy Glam bag. I really do like the Ipsy Glam bag. I just am so over the $25 bag. The boxes are not that good anymore. I feel like once Ipsy and Boxy combined under one company, their boxes have really gone downhill, and I'm just like not impressed with them anymore. So y'all hear that? But anyway, I know this is going to be a very, very short video, but I just still wanted to be able to give you guys something today. I was supposed to film my Natasha Denona pastel palette. That was supposed to be delivered today, but unfortunately it got delayed. So I probably won't have that video out later for you guys. I probably won't have that video out for you guys until later on this week. I won't be posting tomorrow, but I will be posting on Friday and Saturday to make up for me not posting tomorrow. So guys, I can't believe this is probably the shortest video I think I've had in a long time, besides like my No Waste Wednesday. But that is it for today's video. This box is definitely not worth it at all, and I'm sure you guys are feeling the exact same way. I've seen all your guys' comments. If you guys happen to hear Ipsy Glam Bag or Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, let me know what you guys got in the comments below. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys like the different setting, the different scene. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't know how the audio is going to be, but I'm just trying to try something a little different, spice things up so I can go back and sit down and read my book and get rid of these cramps, because these cramps are horrible. So anyways, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey, and of course, a huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, just thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.